I love this. Ooh, so nice.
Could it be you calling me down, 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 down? My foolish heart turns at the stars.
Alright, so we're at Panache and cash and carry. Well, let's get your name. You're the owner? Of Panache.
I have a partner. I wish she was here. She'd love this. Ashley, but
So Panache.
I'll give you a
Okay.
card and I'll put our names on it.
Okay, awesome.
Okay.
Well, your name is Margaret. So can you just tell us a little bit about Panache?
Sure. We actually just moved to this location.
Okay.
Did you know that? Or
I didn't. No, we've been all around Connecticut today, kind of just looking at thrifts and different consignment
There's another
shops.
place down the road with the white
We
rabbit.
just came from there, and she just referred you.
And I wish
That's
I
her.
could talk to you without a mask, but
It's okay.
So we moved here from New Park Avenue in September.
Okay.
This was a former thrift shop, and they closed mostly due to the virus.
Right.
And when I heard this spot was open, I knew it would be a great opportunity for us. So I contacted the landlord, and voila, here we are.
Nice. Okay.
So we're a bit more high-end than a thrift store.
Okay.
We're happy to take a look at anything that people want to consign. That's what we do, we consign.
Okay.
But we prefer to dress it up a little bit, as you can probably
Yes.
guess when you walk in, right?
Yes.
And we love labels, but we also love style. So
Right.
it doesn't have to be a label to look great on you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We're gonna check it out, and hopefully we get some good finds.
We can see this too, or
Yeah. So my name's Amber Ashli. So on my YouTube channel, it's ASHLI. You basically just go to YouTube and type that in,
okay,
and you'll find my channel.
okay.
These are the owners. So certainly check it out. Another one. Sweet.